Frozy na Seachtaine sa Bhaile 3. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. By Friday you should be able to answer the questions without looking at the actual answer. Ucker, os cór, os cionn, difriúil in aice. Cail mé an ucker do mo theach, mar thruathú. An féidir leat cabhrú is féidir. Féach in aice leis an doras. Féach os cór an cuisneoir. Féach os cionn an telefís. Féach faoin mór. An bhaca tú iad ní aice. Cá raibh tú ar maidin. Bhí mé sa siopa AD. An neacaigh tú go dtí an ullmhairge. Ní neacaigh. An nearna tú aon rud difriúil. Ní nearna. I lost the key to my house. I've sympathy for you. Can I help you? You can. Look beside the door. Look in front of the fridge. Look above the television. Look under the table. Did you see them? I didn't. Where were you this morning? I was in the clothes shop. Did you go to the supermarket? I didn't go. Did you do anything different? I didn't. Do mo theach means for my house. The mo creates the H. If the question is did you see, it's an bhaca, and if the answer is no, it's ní aice. If the question has rev in it, the answer will have V or ní rev. For an neacaigh, you answer with cuaig or ní neacaigh. For an nearna, it's rinne or ní nearna. You must say all these sentences out loud, and by Friday try answer the questions without looking at the actual answers.